Hey guys, it's Lauren from the Tealight Planner Co, and today I'm going to be planning in September for my September monthly. I first wanted to show you guys what planner I'm using. This is the Sadie sticker planner 7x9, and it's this year 2024. So I will be doing my September monthly spread today. So this is what the monthly looks like. I usually get Erin Condren, the vertical 7x9 planner, but I was kind of tired of it, and I saw someone post about the Sadie stickers planner, and I really liked the layout, and since having it, I really like it. It's my favorite, so I'll probably keep buying her planners because they're very basic, which is what I like. These are the weekly layouts. But yeah, I really like it. So anyways, today I'm going to be working in my monthly spread for September. So for September, I don't have any monthly stickers. I don't carry any in my shop right now. The ones I had previously, I wasn't a big fan of, so I stopped selling them. But today I'm going to actually be using this journaling sheet kit I have. This is page 1. This is page 2, and then this is page 3. And I'm sorry if you hear like noises. My kids are upstairs and they're kind of loud. But yeah, lately I've been, in my monthlies, I've kind of just been decorating it with just my journal kits. It makes it pretty easy, and I like how it turns out. It's pretty, so I'm going to be doing that today. Okay, so I think first we're going to start with laying down maybe some of the washi strips. Yeah, it's been a while. I have not planned. I'm using my phone to plan, and I've not used my phone to plan a plan with me before, so this will be different for me. Okay. So, well, I can't say it'll be different. I have a junk journaling YouTube channel, and I use my phone to film, so yeah, I can't say that it's really that different. I think I'm going to put this on the bottom here. So yes, if you've been following me and this YouTube channel, I have not posted in almost a year. It's been a long time. I guess I lost motivation to make videos, and things got busy too. And so I really didn't have time to film videos for this channel. And then I also got really into junk journaling, and I wanted to create a YouTube channel for that. And so I've just kind of been focusing more on that YouTube channel. And if you're interested in junk journaling or anything like that, I'll link that YouTube channel down below if you're interested. You can just find it at Lauren's Journal on YouTube, and it should just come up. But yeah, I've been more focusing on that channel right now. I think I'm going to lay this sticker down. But yeah, I think life just kind of got busy for me, and yeah, I just kind of ran out of time to film videos, and I was working on my other channel. So when it comes to my monthly spreads, I don't write a lot in them. I mainly keep it as to write down all the bills I need to pay, which I'll kind of write them here. But it's also, I like to have a space if I wanted to write down like a memory or something, I can do that here. I can update you guys on what's been going on with me. Not too much different. We just started school again after having a summer break. I homeschool, so we've started that. We started a little bit later, but we also ended later, so I'm not too worried about it. That's been going on. Our son is now in baseball, so that has kind of been keeping us busy. His games start in September, and we'll be really busy once the games start. There's a lot of games back to back, which I wasn't expecting, but that's okay. It's really good for him, and he really enjoys it, so it's worth it. So I'm kind of all over the place. I just realized I wanted to put something here, and I'm going to use this, but I'm going to have to cut it. So yeah, we'll see how this plan with me goes. I might try to do more. Let me know if you'd like to see more. I know in the past I've done like vlogs. Not planning on bringing those back, at least not right now. I don't have time to do that. And I wonder if this will fit here. But if I do that, I want to put like a decorative, yeah. But I could do more plan with me. So let me know if you'd be interested in that. I can try to do my best. But yeah, things have been going well with this shop. I try to be as consistent as I can with new releases. And I love designing. That's like one of my favorite things. Just creating new things. Let's add this village. Let's see. I don't know any special dates in there going, anything that's happening in September, so we're just gonna stick that there. I might put this girl at the top. Okay, this is my biggest struggle with Plan With Me, is filming it. I don't have things to talk about. But yeah, so this week that I'm filming this is the last week of August. So I have new releases coming out Friday. I'm still working on some things, but I'm almost done. And I already have some things in the works for the next release, because I'm not going to have them done in time for this Friday. Yeah, what's going on this week or month? Like I said, my son's games are going to be starting this month, so we'll be pretty busy doing that. I'm going to stick this word sticker right here. See, sometimes it's fun to just use decorative stickers for your monthly spreads. Kind of stopped with the getting kits for it, although they're pretty. Like, there are some shops that make such beautiful monthly kits, and I might bring them back. Let me know if you're interested in that. The ones I had I wasn't happy with, so that's why I stopped having those. But if y'all are interested in me bringing back monthly kits, I can do that. Sometimes I really like using tweezers, and then sometimes it's hard to get it just how I want it. But sometimes it really helps make things more... It's easier to lay it down sometimes. I don't have any dates in mind of what's going on for each day, but I'm just decorating. And that's kind of what I do. I just decorate and then I fill in later. So that's what we're doing today. Let's do Enjoy the Fall Breeze, which I live in the South. There won't be a fall breeze till October, probably. Who knows? We'll see what happens, but it has been hot here. It does not feel like fall is coming at all right now. Last week was our hottest month of the year, but August is like the hottest month. Isn't it like everywhere it's the hottest month? I could be wrong. I mean in the US. I could be wrong though. For us it is. I'll say that. This is why I struggle with Plan With Me's, guys. I was thinking I would have a lot to talk about because I haven't filmed in forever, but here I am, not really saying many things. I don't know, is that fun? Let's do that. We'll put that right, no, okay. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, I do own a sticker shop, and these stickers are from my shop, so if you're interested in planning and stickers, you can check them out. Okay. I wanted to use more torn paper stickers, but I don't really have space for... I I don't think I need that. Alright you guys, so this is my September setup. I hope you enjoyed planning with me today. And let me know if you'd like to see more plan with me. I'll do the best that I can. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.